Hello and welcome back. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your brush technique skills, this video is perfect for you. Today, we'll be focusing on the fan brush. We'll be using a small fan brush, size 2, along with a canvas panel to explore different painting techniques and how to apply them effectively. First use of a fan brush, creating grass. Start with sap green paint. Load your fan brush well. Use quick, upward strokes to create the foundation of the grass. Add another layer using mid-green to build depth. Finally, apply light green highlights on top to make the grass look full and realistic. Continue layering until the grass has the right fullness and dimension. Second use of a fan brush, creating tree leaves. Begin by loading your fan brush with sap green. Use a dabbing motion to create clusters of leaves on your tree. Add depth by layering with a mid-green color. For highlights, use light green to add final touches, giving the leaves a natural look. Third use of a fan brush, painting pine trees. Load your round brush with paint, starting from the top of the tree. Use the corner of the brush to create small, delicate strokes for the tip of the pine tree. Gradually broaden the strokes as you move downward, making the base of the tree fuller. Add layers to give the tree depth and texture. We hope you learned something new today. Subscribe to this channel for more helpful painting videos. Hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming videos.